Due to the graphic nature of this program, viewer discretion is advised.
Police, stop your car!
All right, off you go! I'm gonna get him to safety! Cover me, all right? Officer down! I need backup!
Get an ambulance! Man down!
Or you going down?
Whoa! Holy... Holy...
Well, look at you, all slow and dumb. Oh, that's just fucking great. I don't get paid enough for this shit.
Rear leg. Fundy's sweeping paw does the rest.
Next part is where you are bleeding on the floor.
Cautiously, she avoids the dangerous horns, only going for the throat when the gazelle's head has dropped down.
I'm hungry. Let's get something to eat.
Perjalanan jauh tak kurasa, karena hatiku melonjak sama, ingin berjumpa sanak saudara yang selalu bermain di mata. Balik kampung, balik kampung, balik kampung, hati irang.
Yummy!
Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, right.
Okay, Patrick, it's all in the technique. First go like this. Spin around, stop. Double take 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then... Now it's time to bring it around town. Bring it around town. Then you do this, then this, and this, and then...
Oh my gosh.